Guys, it's BT back here again with another review. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Jabra 65Ts. Now these were recommended to me by a subscriber. I think his name was Aaron. Don't kill me if it wasn't your name. But I just want to thank you for letting me know about these because I tried them out and they are amazing. And I just want to let you guys know that if ever you want me to review a pair of headphones or any product, let me know, because sometimes I don't even know. I didn't even know about these headphones and I was pleasantly surprised by these. So today, let's get into why I like these headphones. But first, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. So one thing that I really liked about the Jabra 65Ts is how compact the case is. A lot of the cases that we've been seeing lately are very long, they're very big, and they're not very functional for everyday carrying. This is about the size of the AirPod case, which is very, very nice. I can carry this in my pocket. I've even forgotten that it's even in there. I have to tap my pocket like it's still in there, whereas like something like the BOSE Sound Sports are just crazy big and don't really fit in your pocket that well. So right off the bat, the case is very, very nice. Now the earbuds themselves fit into your ear very, very nice. You kind of twist them and they kind of lock into place. They have small ear tips, which I felt let in a lot of outside noise. So if that's something you don't like, these might not be for you. But as with most sports earbuds, you want to have a little bit of that outside noise coming in so that you can hear outside surroundings, whether that's running or doing other things. It'll be easier for you to hear what's going on around you. So on the right earbud, you're going to have the press play pause button and skip tracks. And on the left side, you have the volume rocker, which is very nice. A lot of companies aren't putting that on their earbuds, so it's nice to have that functionality there. It works very, very well. Didn't have any problems with it at all. Now you will notice on the actual earbuds that there are a lot of holes. In fact, there are 4 microphones on each side of the earbuds, and these will give you crystal clear call quality, which is very, very nice. It's not as good as Apple, but it is up there. And don't call me an Apple fanboy. Don't do it. Now you can also have voice assistants on here from like Bixby, Google Assistant, and Siri. So there's a lot of functionality with these earbuds if that's your thing. I don't really use it, but I know a lot of people do. Now, the actual sound of these earbuds are very, very good as well. Now, out of the box, I was a little bit disappointed, especially for the price point coming in at $169. I was a little bit disappointed, but I said, oh wait, maybe there's an app. So I went on, I got the app, installed it, and what do you know? There's an equalizer. And this equalizer is very good. It allowed me to customize my song while I was listening to it. So I just had a song play, like a rap song, and then I customized it so that the vocals sounded clear, the bass was there, the highs were nice and rolled off. So it was very cool to actually just have that real-time equalizer where I can just change it and make the songs what I want. So whatever song that you're listening to, whether that's classical, jazz, rock, whatever is your forte, just play the song, mess with the equalizer as you're playing with it, and that will give you the best sound quality possible for the music that you like. So the battery life is coming in at 5 hours, which is pretty good considering all the microphones that it has in it, all the buttons and stuff like that. Whereas like the AirPods, they don't have any of that, and those are only 6 hours. So 6 hours versus 5 hours, and you're getting a lot more here with the Jabra 65Ts. So I really like that. And then you're also going to get an extra 2 charges with the case, totaling to 15 hours, which is pretty good. Now, one thing that I think puts the Jabra 65Ts over all other headphones or earbuds in the truly wireless category is the stability. These things have not crapped on me at all. They have worked flawlessly in the gym, anywhere outside on runs, anywhere these work flawlessly. These are up there with the AirPods and with the Samsung Gear X's. These are very, very stable earbuds, and I don't know why other companies couldn't just come out with something similar. The technology they put in here to make these so stable, the connection with your phone, you're never gonna have any of those drops, so don't even worry about it. So all in all, I wish they would have added some like foam tips or something to block out more noise, but overall, the stability, the call quality, the sound profiles and the EQs are just unmatched. Everything just works. It's a great package. They're very comfortable in your ear. They don't ever feel like they're gonna fall out, so you don't have to really worry about that. So all in all, I give the Jabra 65Ts the BT seal of approval because these things are amazing. So check them out if you haven't already. I think they're well worth the price. And let me know what you guys think. All right, guys, so that is going to do it for my time. Thank you guys for watching so much. I appreciate all the support that you guys have given me lately. If you guys have any recommendations for headphones, let me know down below. I'll be sure to check them out and get a review out to you guys. Also, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. It really helps the channel out. Like the video. Comment down below. What did you like the video? Or if you just want to say hi, I'm always down in there talking to you guys. So yeah, that's gonna do it. I will see you guys in the next video. It's been your boy BT saying peace.